What's up, guys? My name is Mark. I'm an owner of a Prius repair shop. I'm at the shop right now. I just had a very long day. But before I head home, I want to tell you guys a little bit about this new channel. So this is my first ever YouTube video ever. So about the channel, this is going to be about the shop and only the shop. I'm going to be recording how-to videos. I'm going to be recording, maybe give a tour, maybe. I'm going to be recording some videos about the tools that I use and maybe give reviews on them. Should be fun. It should be cool. If you guys like what you guys see, please feel free to like the video. Maybe even subscribe. That would be very helpful. If you guys want to leave comments or questions down below, please feel free to. I'll try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. But until then, this is the video. Hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's getting serious on this track, man.
Alright guys, so I just finished putting in the engine in this 3rd gen Prius right now, as you can see right here. Okay, so this is its first start since putting in the new engine, so hopefully everything works out. This is not a fully rebuilt engine by me. The customer brought me this engine just to install. So let's see how it runs. The car right now. About to start up, so let's see how it goes. On right there, foot on the brake. Turn it off one more time. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, so there you have it. The first start of the Prius with the new engine that the customer brought me. Doesn't sound too bad. Does not have a rough start, and looking pretty good. So I gotta refill the coolant real quick on the converter. Back in the car. As you could tell, there's no check engine light on, which is a good sign. I did have to refill the inverter tank right here. This one held steady, which is a good sign. Okay, so the next test right now, what I gotta do is I gotta close it back up, take it out for a test drive, check the coolant level, and check the coolant temp, and then check for misfires. But so far, so good. The car is on right now, but the engine actually stopped. Again, these hybrids are a little bit different. The gasoline engine doesn't always run all the time. The hybrid battery kicks in. But yeah, looking good so far, and hopefully all this checks out.